Bro, what's in the for you?
You come buy garri and groundnut for market fence.
What's up guys, it's OBIKING and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. Please make sure you watch this video to the very end because it's gonna be a blast. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. You get? So don't play guys, let's go have some fun.
How are you?
Mommy, what is this man with all this like very credit for our shop?
Come and take.
No clustering. I repeat, no clustering.
Now, money, yo.
Mama, take care.
Fine.
Am I dreaming?
Landlord.
Funnybros.
That's my landlord. But that's former. Nigeria, you. Cool. You know, pass one far back. So, how much rent am I owing you?
You know, it's up to 5 years you've been living in my house now. So if you give me 5 to 6 million,
I will send you 10 million.
10 million.
Take it easy. Life happens. I think I have your account number.
hell with you.
How? 10 million.
Leave. That's my ex. When you believe in me.
No, Funny, no. You're the only man that deserves every good thing in life.
What happened to your father? Is she a woman? Oh, come on, spare me that rubbish.
Try.
Take this. Change your undies, your pants and bra.
All eyes on me. Excuse me, sir. So we heard a lot about you. That's why we came to this occasion to interview you. Please, sir, tell us the cost of your outfit.
Am I even supposed to say that?
Wow. It's a
Mercedes.
I will introduce you to some of the brands I work with, like SA Autos. It sells the most affordable cars, accidental free. Sure. All you have to do is to contact him on his Instagram handle or maybe the phone number you see on the screen. Babe, this car is not less than 1 in Lagos. I think Dangote is ordering 1 any moment from now. Give them 2 million. Contact SA Autos. Bouncer!
My boss.
Bro, what's in the for you?
You come buy garri and groundnut for market fence.
You don't work. Where's the money of 6 pints of garri you buy since last year? You will not die.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Hey, sir, I'm just coming from the village and I'm going back to the city. But unfortunately, my transport finished here. So I don't know if I can get small assistance from you so I can get back to the city.
My brother, now the same thing will happen to me.
Jesus.
From city, they come back village. My transport finish here. Oh, tell the mad.
So how are we going to do it now?
Now to just wait for others where their transport go finish here to join us. Before you know it, all of us will start our own community here.
Oh, Jesus.
My God.
Ima! Where this boy come put head? Yeah, Ima, you know they hear what they call you since? What they do inside there?
I mean, the shit.
You the shit. I won't say you don't flush that shit and no one enter there go see shit inside that toilet, oh.
I flush her.
Take this money. Go Mama and Ketchin's shop. Go buy me Maggie.
Okay, man.
Yeah, Ima. You see this place we I bought for grand. Make it no dry and not see you for this house. If not, you go see what me and you go do for this house. When do they go?
Okay, Mama, they come fast.
Yeah, man, why you know go come back fast? Make you see what I go do you here. Make I just wait for you.
I don't declare spiritual battle between me and you.
Oh, this my give me a tissue to run. No, vous savez run, chef. I tell you to come out for life. See daylight. Go stand for there, make a tissue to run. Make you see where.
On your mark. Set. Go.
Anything. What up, boy? Give me my man, give me a car to go my house. Like, try me again.
Which guy wahala be this? I won't call this boy, yo. This is where I sent message since 2 hours ago. No wahala. You go come here, come meet me. No problem. Okay. Okay, no wahala. I not blame this boy. You go come back, come meet me for this compound. Hey? Wahala. Biaima. My dad will not come here or see so. Come where you go since where I send you message.
Mama, go pay the my dinner.
For how many hours? My dad will not need down your see so.
Mama, I'm now. But me and you reach agreement now. You say if the spit dry, you go flog me. But look at the spit never dry. Ha! Mama, take. If you don't like, you can't put food for me. I'm hungry.
Who take her, who take her, who take her? She's a warrior.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Let's have it.
Can you please help me with some money? I'm stranded.
You are stranded?
Yes.
Do you find like this? I see, now only money in my pocket like now. I'm not if not for help you.
You don't have money.
I don't get money.
A whole yansh money. You don't have money.
Wait, you know me before?
You don't know me.
I don't know you.
Your ex-girlfriend's sister.
Let's have it.
My ex-girlfriend.
Yes, 2016.
Wait, Olushi?
Yes.
Wait, Nduka, can you be this?
Yes.
I your sister now.
She's fine. She's fine. Yeah, but what happened to you? Why don't you have money again?
And see, more leave pass for past tense,
Nah. Okay.
Well, you say you chop my money where that time 2016, no?
Yes, I did. But I invested the money in myself.
You invest the money?
Yes, that's what have been sustaining me. Yes.
But wait, if you say you don't invest in yourself, why you call they ask me for money?
Okay.
Let's have it.
I'm actually not broke. I just wanted to confirm that it was you.
Wait, you just want to confirm that on me?
Yes.
Yes. Nah, this is how you don't confirm on me. Now for you to confirm something on my account now. I want to confirm your name now.
Okay. Alright, call your account number.
Nah, 218 44610 71.
What bank?
Takers Bank.
Okay. Sent.
Just now?
Yes.
And I'm like, confirm. Blast! Don't look at you.
Yeah.
Come on, it's like really invest so well.
Yes, I did.
You see, based on expectation, if every year good, I'll update you massively.
Alright, no problem.
Nah.
Okay.
So where you go like this now?
I'm going to my sister's husband's house.
Oh, she don't marry?
Yes, with 2 kids.
Wow. With 2 kids?
Yes.
Nah, help me buy the kids gifts,
Food. Gluttony.
I use that robot.
Except you don't see food. You will misbehave no matter what you are wearing.
Chop plenty protein and small carbon dioxide.
I don't catch one this year, 2026. This one suits me. Sharp.
I beg. This guy is Nigerian. I beg. He deserves a second chance.
What he go tell you?
Pass and come.
Don't worry.
Not for yet.
All these Nigerians.
Jesus. Nigerians, I beg, Mona pray for me. They don't swear for me.
Idiot. See this animal where I kill second chance. Look this one. Don't go finish.
Who is the owner of this handbag?
Where's my handbag now?
Who is the owner of this ID card?
It's my ID card now.
Wait first. Why is the name on the ID card? Aris in Guamishi.
Jesus. Baby, that is in the past. I now be a new name. Z of Lagos.
Wait. Waiting Harris in Guamishi. They find for female name.
Babe, now it's in the past. Leave it. Please.
Wait. Remove your wig. Let me check something. Remove your wig. Let me. I want to see something. Harris, remove your wig.
Jesus.
So you be man? Jesus.
Yeah, man.
I'm sorry, baby.
Babe, I miss you.
Oh, look at you. He shocked you.
He shook me. How come you're here? You're supposed to be coming next week.
Yeah, me said I thought, but I just wanted to see your face. Your face, you always turn me on. Yeah. Nice. Look. I miss this my bed.
What's going on here?
Nice for that.
Yes.
When do you start listening to DJ Casey, Shaggy? What do you do, Drake? Another DJ, your phone is memory. Go. Are you teaching me? Bro, just come out. Bro.
I'm going to like to cheat to you.
Who is bro? Just come outside.
Hold on. I forgot.
Forgot what?
I fixed Alexa in the house.
You?
Wait, stop, babe. Okay, see, Alexa, put on the TV.
The TV.
Alexa, on the TV.
I know they with the remote too.
You know them with the remote. Them God go punish you, bro. Hey, you ask for the remote. Bro, just come outside, bro. Bro, just come outside. Where you there, bro? Bro, just come outside, bro. Bro, just come out. You disgrace yourself, bro.
Okay, listen, see. Alexa.
Yes, ma'am.
2 + 2.
That is 4.
See this one too.
Let's have it.
Alexa.
Yes, bros.
2x plus 2py divided by abcmc square root of 55 pi is equal to what?
Bros, I be a student too.
You be a student? I don't die. AI say you ask. The AI they go school. Oh, go kill you, bro. Just come out. Bro, just come out. You just give me no job. You this cheat. Let me just place my bed. Match is about to start. Make a chop man. I don't my bed. Man, you don't win.
What did you do? What if I know they here? You won't carry Man U straight winning. At least if I ever say Man U, either half.
Man you to lose either half.
No mistake be that.
Yes, mistake now.
Hope you know you get promo code to use.
Yes now. I use promo code Shank01, so I'll get 200% bonus on any money where I put in. You fit deposit with crypto, with Sol, with USDT, with Bitcoin, with Naira, and your cash are immediate.
Don't be like, bro. Your head there. This year we go bomb.
Yeah, memos.
Wait a minute. Who be this?
Good afternoon, bro. Oh, babe, who be this?
Alexa.
Now you be Alexa.
My name now Alexa.
Now you dey like my babe. Alexa, they get free.
But bro, she met me before you.
You was
Who go see them?
Hey, they follow me track, babe. I go kill you today.
Alexa is getting low.
You go choke you.
Alexa needs to be charged.
No light.
I'm a wife, I need you.
You know go shut up.
Abemina help me. How they meet me?
Now take care.
Baby, my love, you're not escorting me.
I have like work to do, you know, and malaria and typhoid. The son cannot really like talk.
Escorting
Wait,
me.
let's use the car. Let's use the car.
Alonzi.
Who the camera be that? Nah, he. This can't get what we call the carry. Now wow, anything or skate.
Hey.
Is that not your ex?
Oh Jesus.
What have I done with myself since the morning? How could you make such a mistake?
Bros. Now, wife be that.
You shame for me?
Yes, so mama, I'm your wife is.
And don't worry,
I can enter like that. You can come and paint the house next week. Yes, I can wait for next month for you to connect the light. Oh, it's next year. I know what we now. Yeah, they almost end.
Hey, Daddy. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, no, my caller. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Foma, you didn't tell me that your dad was this handsome.
I don't understand. What's that? What do you mean by So let me tell you, my dad is married to my mom, and they are not divorced. The reason why my mom is not married is because she went to the market to prepare food for her lovely husband.
I don't understand. What is it you're explaining? Did anybody ask you?
I wonder.
Who asked you? Did you ask her?
No, sir, I didn't.
Me, I don't want to allow. I think you should be going now. See tomorrow.
Why now? I don't understand. Let us stay now.
Daddy, please. Leave me and my friend alone. We're going now. We'll see tomorrow, okay?
No problem. I'll text you when I get home.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, sir.
Bye-bye, eh? Take care, my caller. Why did you ask your friend to go now? Why?
Listen, Daddy, me, I don't want your mommy to separate, though. See that girl that just left now? She's the reason why my friend's parents are divorced.
Ha, no now. That one is bad now. That one is not a good thing now. Why is the difference with her?
Daddy, we're just friends from a distance, so. And I promise I will not let her come to this house again before she makes you her next target.
Next target, I don't understand. What do you mean by next target?
Daddy, she slept with Esther's dad.
That one is not a good thing, you know. Very bad, eh? Please, help me go inside my room. Get my briefcase. I need my meeting. Yes, eh?
Okay, Daddy, I'm coming.
Thank you, eh?
Okay.
Why we should do like that now? It's not good now, eh? Children of nowadays. Jesus. My caller, what are you doing here?
I'm actually waiting for my ride.
No problem, eh? I came to tell you not to be angry, eh? For my daughter asked you to leave the house. Doesn't make sense, eh? No verse for your friend.
No, sir, it's fine. I actually regret what I did, but I'm not a changed person.
I don't understand. What do you mean by you're not a changed person?
During the course of a night service, I asked God to make me a better person this year. Then I gave my life to him.
No problem, eh? You know what happened? You ask God to give you your life back. Eh? Let us spend this weekend together. Then first thing Sunday morning, let's have it. You go and give him back. Ha!
All of you are not holy. All of you!
Madam, I tell you with your package.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And how much is it, sorry?
2,000 naira.
Oh my gosh. I do not have up to that amount here in Naira, honestly. Like, I just got back from America. That was last week. And I only have gift card. I don't even know how to go about it.
Cheddar with cat cost meat now. They are fast and reliable. Just download the app now, register with my promo code. Father, they will credit you 2K na. They are even powered by AI. So they may even dash you 10,000 naira. You go withdraw money sharp. You don't go to stress.
Oh my gosh. I just got the 2,000 naira that you said you were going to
Leave my money so that we can go. I beg.
I would like to trade my gift card and then I'll pay you.
Okay.
Hey!
Yeah! Hey.
You said you want to tie your boyfriend. Can I have the picture?
Easy one, I did not come with his picture, but I have it on my phone.
Oh, Billy.
This is it, Easy one.
Somebody is going to die.
No, Easy one, you don't kill him, oh. I don't want him to die. You just lock him, shake him. I don't want all these chingom girls around him.
It's you that is going to die. Yeah! This is my man.
Easy one, you don't play. Just tie this guy. I still love this boy.
You dey crazy.
What's going on here?
I see that my man be this, you dey tell me shit.
Okay, give me my phone for waiting.
Hey.
I think that because I call your shrine, you want to drag my man with me. You dey serious. I mean, because you carry watch your family, they fear you, they mad.
I go deal with you.
You don't praise.
Alpha, babe, I've warmed the soup.
Babe! What are you doing here?
Chibex, come here, get my back now.
A type shipment, Chibex funds, my money goes like that.
So you were not even joking. Baby, let's get out of here, Joe. Let's get out of here.
Calm down.
I don't understand. What's the meaning of all this?
You should wait. Now what's poor Chibex funds hand? Can we just live in peace and harmony? Can't I just date two of you?
Azal now.
All the South where they travel, who it say they sponsor me? She's the one. And you, she's the one that is protecting me.
This, I'm even tired of all this rubbish. At this point, you just have to choose. You have to choose between me and this.
Chibex, choose.
If now you go pick yourself.
Jesus!
You dey mad?
Jesus!
No be yam and oil and fowl we dey chop for this shrine every time.
Oh, they struggle.
See who is sponsoring my lifestyle.
The suffer is real.
I just dey with you because I don't know his sins for village. I choose you, John, my love.
It's okay.
Jesus! Don't mention that name here. What is happening right now?
Mama,
let us see one. Let me this. Carry your mouth, go. Let me this.
Every time you be cheating.
Dr. Lens. That patient was already there before they brought him.
Still admit the cops.
I said the patient was dead before arrival.
Boss Eliza, admit the cops. Tell the family to make deposit of 1 million naira into my OP. Then wait for 3 hours. Come out from the theater with a sad face and come audition. Is that the wife of the cops? Excuse me. Madam.
Doctor.
Thank God you brought your husband on time. It's alright. We are taking care of him. The nurse is going to come and tell you what to do. Just make deposit and everything will be taken care of. The husband's survival rate is around it's in the hands of God. Nurse Eliza, you make deposit.
Thank you so much, Dr. Lens. God bless you. Please let me walk with water there.
Dead body for surplus.
So, baby, I'll call you when I get home, okay?
Okay, no problem. Bye-bye.
Yeah. I love you. Well done. Relax.
Wait. There's something I want to tell you.
Okay, what's that?
Just hold on now.
Oh, okay.
Small.
Well done. Take
There's
care.
something I wanted to tell you.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure this can work anymore.
Come again, what's that?
I'm not sure this can work. This our relationship.
Oh, our relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't know. You should have just tested me now. You understand?
No, I wanted to tell you face to face so we can talk things out.
No, no problem. Fine.
I know you always say we are one.
Yeah. I wish he's on TikTok.
Are you even serious right now?
What now?
I'm for real. Come, I'm talking to you.
I mean, I'm not for fake now. Don't worry. Later now.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Are you sure she's normal?
I'm gonna cut my coat oversize this year. I know I can't reject.
Father Lord, New Year 2026, new me. Lord, as I dey go work, no allow me jam Agkaay. More this to me. Amen.
Blah 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 blah. Are you feeling good? Tell me, are you really good? Someone tell them I'm dead. Blah blah blah. God have mercy upon us all. Blah blah black sheep. Are you feeling good? Are you feeling good? I swear. Blah blah black sheep.
Oh boy, this guy is just loud. You know, carry me reach house now. Go make me there, babe. For you. I don't reach out before I still carry me come back here. You are no sharp now.
We are in business now. Like,
Alpha Bros, I be dey go Congo.
You dey go Togo.
I hear say shortcut dey this road.
You know what you go so? As you dey go like this, you see that place where that T-junction dey like this. You go take your left.
It is smoky, Igbo.
Na Canada loud o. Baba, puff and pass now. I puff. You know say those ordinary eyes they take they do this pass rider.
Alright, Joe, Figo le.
Make our pastor no see me. I bet take.
What's going on here?
I bet no first time no could deliver your package. Now traffic there just side.
let's watch this video. Some few minutes. Let's watch this.
Now you get iPhone, abi?
Nah, me now.
Okay, see your iPhone. Now Billionaire you follow by on a very dark man.
Oh, joy.
Congratulations.
What people will come here.
I beg, sir, make
could
I
have
fit them
killed a
office
lot.
people so I don't deliver for you. Thanks.
God have mercy upon us.
Let's have it.
Because this one way they look me, I never give you your package.
They take him there.
Jesus!
Take your PS5. Take your PS5.
Sharp.
I don't want trouble.
There's no more problem.
This man. I bet men they use me another time.
You're very, very stupid to delay my boss phone.
Which phone be that? I don't deliver your phone. How many times I won't deliver phone give you?
I'll kill you today.
Don't come again. How many times I won't give you phone? How many times I won't give you phone? How many times I won't give you?
Jesus!
Lord Jesus. The struggle. The suffer is real.
God. And I pray for us before I come outside. God, why do you do this to me? God, I feel like crying for myself.
Yeah, sorry, brother.
Come. Show you one color. Hello?
Hello, guy, where you dey?
I'm on your street.
Okay, I'm coming out.
I beg, you sure say motor dey pass this your street?
Wait, now that small water they complain for?
Small water care. Hello, madam. See, I no fit pass this water. If you no fit waka from your house, come meet me. I don't dey go.
Yeah, okay, I'm coming out now.
I dey wait for you. Well done.
Hey, my bro, which have they take exchange and gift card?
Now, card cost me for my brother. That's very reliable, trusted, and fastest payment method.
So how do I get this app?
So it's easy. Just download from Apple Store or Play Store. And when you do that, please use the invite code STIVO, all in capital letter. And you will get 2K to 10K as the new user that you are. Okay, now this water is not be fast. You know how many people they can't drop me every night for year? Yeah, man.
Prostitute. Ashawo.
Okay. Hope so you see the walk.